Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $180 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Hugh Jackman, Hugh Jackman, Hugh Jack Man. Hugh Jackman. Hugh Jackman is known for his powerful performances and versatility, especially in action and musical films. Some of his top movies include Logan, The Greatest Showman, and Les Miserables. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Hugh Jackman, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.